Clients are often interested in trusts for different reasons. Just to recap for a second here, a trust is a management contract between an owner or a donor and a trustee or a manager. In a standard living trust or revocable trust, the creator of the trust retains all of the control and is often his or her own trustee. They can cancel the trust at any time. The downside here is that in a revocable living trust, you do not get any protection from creditors. Enter the Utah Domestic Asset Protection Trust, a powerful legal tool designed to shield an individual's assets from creditors, while also allowing them to maintain a significant amount of benefit and control over the assets transferred to the trust. Utah is currently just one of a few states providing asset protection trusts with this level of flexibility. An asset protection trust basically works because the creator is giving up some level of control. This means that while you may be able to help manage the assets inside the trust, such as how the money is invested or who uses the home in the trust, you would also have to give up control over how much of the assets can come out of that trust directly to you. Think about it like putting a bouncer in front of the asset. Creditors may attempt to sue you for the assets, but because you no longer have direct control over the funds or who owns them, they have to attempt to get around the trustee in order to get to you. Because Utah law specifically allows for asset protection trusts in the Utah Code, getting through a trustee who is not the creator is extremely difficult if the trust is set up correctly. The asset protection trust is extremely effective against future creditors, not so much your current creditors or creditors that are foreseen at the time you set up the trust. After the trust is set up, current or foreseen creditors have a certain amount of time to make a claim against the trust. To create a Utah Asset Protection Trust, you must sign a sworn statement certifying, among other things, you actually own the assets being transferred to the trust, that the transfer to the trust will not make you insolvent, meaning you can't pay your debts. Also, that the trust isn't being created to defraud a known creditor, and that you are not behind on a domestic support obligation such as alimony or child support. If you would like more information on how a Utah Domestic Asset Protection Trust can integrate into your estate plan and protect your assets, feel free to give me a call. I never charge to chat. I'm here to be helpful. Thank you.